Alright guys, so this is part 4 of the Jeep Comanche project. So I got a new starter in the mail. Got that installed already since my camera was charging, so I just went ahead and installed that. Yeah, the old one's right over there. Cause yeah, it didn't work. I tested it and the little wheel will like pop out, but it wouldn't spin. So yeah, so I got the new starter in. Then I had to put like fogging oil in all the cylinders and one of the spark plugs. I forgot which one it was, but one of them broke. So yeah, I got new set of spark plugs here. Gonna get those installed right now. And yeah, let's get that started. Alright guys, so I got all the spark plugs changed. You can't really see them, but yeah, all the new ones are in and all the old ones are out. Oh, this is the one that had like completely broken off. Just that little piece. But yeah, so they're all changed. Now let's see, what am I missing? Alright, so starter, spark plugs. Then yeah, we're pretty much getting pretty close to being able to start it already. I just need I have got a new water pump coming in the mail. So as soon as that gets there, here, I'll replace the water pump, because I figured since that one's probably never been replaced, might as well do it since there's nothing in the way, like to make it hard to replace. So, and it might, like, if that one's bad, it'll like make it overheat or something. I don't know. So might as well replace it now. So yeah, so I'm not gonna like put the radiator or anything there yet, which I do have already. So I do have the radiator and the gas tank. So once the water pump gets here, then I could put the water pump, obviously, and then I'll get the radiator in and get the gas tank in and the gas lines, because they're all like broken off. So I gotta get some new like lines. Then hopefully the water pump in the gas tank still works, because they're pretty hard to come by. So yeah, hopefully that works. So then I gotta get those fans installed as well, then connect all the hoses for the radiator, fill that up with water and coolant and stuff. Then yeah, that's pretty much it, really. Then we could try to start it. Hopefully it does. Oh yeah, and then you just need a battery, then change the oil, then oil filter. Oh yeah, aside from that, everything's pretty much hooked back up and almost ready to go. Just need power steering fluid too. So then if it does start, after that, then I'm gonna start worrying about like everything else, like do brakes, since they're probably like really rusty and stuff. Then on the interior, gotta get like a cover for this wheel, because it's all sticky. Then see the door panels, I gotta fix the actual latches, because they're not really working very well. And try putting this thing back on the handle, and yeah, they're not really working. So fix that. Then I gotta get some new, like all new speakers for everything. Get those installed. Gotta fix the floorboards and all of that, but that's like later down the line. But yeah, there's not much left to do before it actually runs. So I'm gonna call it a day for today. But I'll pick up this same video a little bit like later with something else that I gotta install. Okay, so water pump gets here tomorrow, so I could put that in tomorrow. Then I might get some new hoses for the radiator. So I got the fuel tank out and I took out the fuel pump, and obviously it was not usable. It's pretty rusty and full of dirt and whatever, I don't know. So you can't I don't think you can actually buy a fuel pump for a Comanche, or at least I wasn't able to find one. But I did find this one. This is the part number CHP10147. Now, if you get this one, you could like transfer the parts onto this to the hanger, and this one sort of modify it so it could fit the Comanche. So it's like, I'm pretty sure it's for like a Cherokee. Just get it like for the same year, I think. And yeah, it'll like fit on that hanger, and you can use it in a Comanche apparently. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and then get started with the whole fuel pump situation, so we can finally get the gas tank mounted. But yeah, so I received the new water pump in the mail. So I should be working on the fuel pump and like getting that installed, but this is gonna be easier and faster, so might as well get this out of the way first. And so it's a new fuel pump. And so from the looks of it, just a few bolts there. Got to take out the belt and everything again, but shouldn't really be that much complicated. But yeah, I'm gonna take out the belt and drain the coolant that's still in there, I think. Yeah, aside from that, there's not much else to them, and it brings a gasket too, so that's pretty good. Alright, I changed out the water pump already and painted the pulley. So yeah, it took longer than expected just because I had to take out the power steering pump in order to get that in. But yeah, it's changed somehow. We just kind of put in the radiator. We can get started on that, or I'm just gonna finish out the fuel pump situation. So I'm gonna tackle that tomorrow maybe, and see if we could get that installed in the actual gas tank, so then we can mount it in there. And once we get that done, then it's pretty much just put it in the radiator, change the oil, put in a battery, and I think we're good to go. Alright, and so now we're gonna get started on the actual fuel pump. So I got the new one right here and then the old one. So it's just kind of modified this one a little bit, I guess, so that it'll like fit properly in a Comanche. So yeah, I'm gonna start figuring this out and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I got the old fuel pump pretty much taken all apart already. Got all the hoses there and all the other parts. So I also got both radiator hoses bolted on, I mean like clamped on or whatever, I guess. Got those on. Water pump is on. So I'm cleaning up the hanger from the old fuel pump, because that's the one I'll be using. So I got that soaking in water just so it's easier to clean. So that, once that's cleaned up, then I can start mounting all the parts from the new fuel pump onto that one, so I can use it on the truck. So now pretty soon I'm painting the core support right now, so it looks like good. And then I'm gonna get the radiator mounted. So I'm gonna save that for the next video. So this is gonna be the end of this video. So yeah, part 5 should be coming very soon.